Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's another beautiful day today. Today we're making Shanghai braised pork belly. It's super easy to make and super comforting. The best version of this dish I've ever had was in Shanghai at a restaurant called Jianguo 328. The red braised pork was so succulent, sweet, savory, and melt in your mouth tender. I still think about it quite often. To start off, we're parboiling the pork belly to remove a lot of the impurities. I added some scallion and ginger to help with that process. Rinse the pork belly and make sure to pat it dry. I cut them into about 2-inch cubes so they don't break apart too easily. The key to this dish is actually coating the pork belly in rock sugar before braising. Start off by dissolving the rock sugar, but be careful not to take it too far, otherwise it'll be difficult to work with. You'll see in a few seconds how the sugar just stuck to my spatula. This was also a pretty scary process. If you don't pat your pork belly dry, it will definitely splutter everywhere, and there is a high chance of burning yourself.
Hey!
Shanghai-style red braised pork is a touch sweeter than other versions of this dish, and you need a good amount of fat to meat ratio in order to create that tender goodness. Don't worry, a lot of the fat will actually render out during the cooking process. I use the wok here, but recommend you use a heavy bottom pot as it retains heat better and will result in a more tender pork belly. Once the pork belly is fork tender, the dish is done. If there is a lot of liquid remaining, turn the heat up until the sauce becomes glossy and thick. This shouldn't take too long, maybe about 30 seconds or so. I was super excited to eat this. The pork belly was so tender and you get a contrast of texture between the skin and rendered fat. It's a decadent dish for sure. I hope you guys give this a try. Thank you all for cooking with me today. I'll see you guys in the next one.